Hoy! Patay ka na! Lusot!
Kiko sa'yo. Start to middle. So every time a goal is pushed forward, the game is started with a kickoff. And stop. Wait. You cannot move forward. You should be on your own half when the ball is being kicked during the kickoff. And play.